friends, welcome back to the channel Sai Checker. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually buy the Realme GT Neo 2 for about 24,999 rupees. And this is the most requested question in my channel, asking me to make a video how to buy this phone for 25,000 rupees. Can you please elaborate in one single video, which might be useful for a few of the users because they want to buy this beast, which is Snapdragon 870 chipset for 25,000 rupees. So one more quick note, this offer only applies if you satisfy all the conditions. The meaning why I'm saying all the conditions, because so before we did see a lot of other Realme sales happened before, for example Realme GT Master Edition and Realme X1 Max. So those offers were pretty straightforward, like 6,000 rupees off and 7,000 rupees off. That's it, straightforward. There is no conditions at all except that one condition. But right now we do need to satisfy a couple of different conditions. That's kind of really strange to see. To get this phone for 25,000 rupees, you need to satisfy each and every condition. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So first is that the starting price of this phone is going to be having 31,999, which is pretty clear, which is the selling price. Next is discount on prepaid or exchange. I mean, if you try to pay using the online debit card or credit card, or if you buy with the exchange, you do get additional 3,000 rupees off. So for example, if you select the exchange offer, okay, if you select exchange offer, on the exchange you do get additional 2,000 off. So that means total you are getting 5,000 rupees off on the exchange. If you don't choose exchange, you do get only 3,000 rupees off on the prepaid. So final, which is a bank discount offer which is going on, which is the 2,000 rupees off you can actually get on the bank discount, which makes the effective price of 24,999. So this offer will be really benefit for the users who want to exchange their old phones. Only then you can actually buy for this kind of 24,999 rupees only. If you pay online, so that includes 3,000 plus 2,000, you do get 5,000 rupees discount. I think that's the reason why the Flipkart, they did mention in the Flipkart website as 26,999. As you can clearly see in the Flipkart website, the price is about 26,999. But in the application, they did mention that the price is about 24,999. So that might be the reason why they did not include the exchange value in 2,000 rupees in the Flipkart website. But overall, if you do the exchange of old phone, only then you can actually get for about 24,999 rupees. And I think this bank discount can be applicable for the only SBI Bank, because that's what the SBI Bank offer is going on during this Diwali sale in the Flipkart festival sale which is happening. So that's another condition which you should definitely remember. So if you have the phone, old phone, exchange value 3,000 plus 2,000, 5,000 exchange. If you have SBI card, if you try to play using SBI card, then you do get 7,000 rupees off, and the final price will be 25,000 rupees on the Realme GT Neo 2. This is how you can actually buy the device for about 25,000 in the Flipkart website. If you don't have SBI card, maybe the bank discount card, then you will get only 3,000 rupees off on the prepaid as an bonus. So 32,000 makes about, I think, close to 29,000. Overall, the offer becomes for you, if you don't have SBI card, if you don't have any kind of phone to exchange, 29,000 will be the price of the Realme GT Neo 2. If you have the phone to exchange and if you have the SBI bank card, then you can actually get 5,000 rupees additional. So this depends upon the type of users, what cards you do have. So final conclusion is that if you have the SBI card and if you don't do exchange, 5,000 rupees. If you don't have SBI card, 3,000 rupees. If you have the exchange and place SBI card, then 7,000 rupees. So these are final value, friends, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off.